And we had a huge rally in the stock market this week. The Dow was up 1,700 points from the low last week. And if you have a portfolio in this market or you have a 401k, you're feeling pretty good. And this is the highest close for the Dow Jones Industrial Average since September. And where does it go from here? It's hard to tell, as we're seeing mixed signals in the economy. Now, we had the monthly unemployment numbers come out this week, and it shows a bit of weakening. And that number came in a bit below expectations, and that's what helped to continue to rally in the stock market. Now, some of the unemployment that we're seeing can be blamed on some of the strikes, some of the auto strikes that's happening across the country. And when these nationwide strikes are resolved, I believe you're going to see December's unemployment numbers rebound. And for me, this number is a bit hard to decipher because this is a time of year. It's not quite the time of year, but almost a time of year when you see a lot of seasonal holiday hiring. And for those of you who don't know, the monthly jobs numbers are actually calculated from the 15th of each month to the next 15th of each month. So the jobs numbers that came out yesterday were actually from September 15th to October 15th. And that's slightly before holiday season hiring begins. So in my opinion, when the next jobs report comes around in early December, I'm thinking we may actually see hiring increase. But regardless, we're going into an election year, and I believe that they're going to juice these markets. Now, as a reminder, the stock market is not the economy. There are a ton of people who are on a razor's edge from losing it all, from being evicted, from having their car repoed, to losing their job, you name it. There are millions of Americans that are right there at that point. So it's great that we can celebrate the stock market going up, and every little bit helps. But this country's got a lot of work to do in order to upright this ship. Now, we had earnings this week from a multitude of companies, and a lot of these companies are seeing increased revenue, from Starbucks to McDonald's, you name it. So perhaps this economy has turned around and continues to turn around. But for me, I'm not ready to put out the checkered flag. I believe there's still caution in the wind. And again, a lot of these numbers are numbers that are on paper. What I'm seeing physically, actually on the street, is a lot different. And with the market being up, there have been many companies that are actually moving almost like penny stocks, up 40 and 50% on the week. And we're talking multi-billion-dollar companies. Now, if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.